Well, that's not good.
Following counties in North Carolina, Cherokee and Clay, and Polk, Tennessee. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Under another tornado watch. Damn. Double header.
In north central Georgia, Murray County in northwestern Georgia until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Eaton to near Randers to near Nicholsville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts sending pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chatsworth, Ellijay, Eaton, East Ellijay, Carters, Towna, Tales Creek, Randhurst, Conestoga Lake, Carter Cay, Kisda, Cherry Log, Mountain Town, Fort Mountain State Park, Raleigh, North Georgia Speedway, and Round Top. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for north central and northwestern Georgia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central and northwestern Georgia. Tornado watch number 2.
Okay.
Canceled.